Hey guys, I wanted to make a review video on this charger. This is a SuperSafe car jump starter, but it's got a ton of other features as well from GOOLOO. So thanks a lot to GOOLOO for sponsoring this video, sending this out. You've got a port on the side here. You've got your charging cables. So that's where these jumper cables go. Your negative, your negative and positive cables will plug in right there. And then you've got a port right here, DC output, and that can probably be used to charge. You've also got a USB out 5 volt. USB out 5, 9, and a 12 volt, as well as the USB-C cable. So you've got, with the pack itself, comes with a male-to-male USB-C and then USB-C end right there. You can also charge it with a cigarette lighter. So you've got these other features. This thing is ready to go. 100 watt supercharge. Starting current 600 amps. You got peak current 3000 amps, and then USB-C, all those other things I mentioned. But you can just hit this button right here. It's 100% charged, and it also has another feature on here. You can hit this. You can hit the power button or hold it, and then you got a light on the end. So that's, you can tap it one more time for flashing if you're in trouble, and one more time to turn it off. So very cool, nice brick of battery right here. So I've got a car to jump start it with, so let's go out there and do that. But it's very cool that something this small is going to be able to jump start a car. Okay, so I've got a small Toyota here, and this battery is dead. Let's test it out. Nothing. Yeah, this battery is dead, doing nothing. Okay, let's pop the hood. Okay, so here we go. Let's plug this in right here. There's only one way to plug it in. Plug that in right there. Connect right here. Connect right here. Make sure you get a good connection. Press and hold the boost button. It's ready to go. All right, let's try to fire this up within 30 seconds. All right, here we go. There we go. It fires up. And yeah, this started the car no problem. No problem at all. Okay, so what I am learning from this is that my battery is so dead that actually once the jump starter goes down and loses power, it's really because my battery is so dead. But you can see that it's actually going to start the engine. So totally dead battery right now. It's going to start the engine. Just press and hold that boost button. It's ready to go. And should be able to fire it up. Yep. I'm able to fire it up. It stays running. Stays running, stays running. 93% you can see. And if it'll stay running, I don't know. I don't know if it's going to charge on its own. Let's remove these. Yep. Once you remove these, my battery is just so dead. But as you can see, it will start that engine up. And only used 8% on 3 tries. Okay, so there you go. Jump starts the car, no problem. And we still got 91% left in there. But of course, this is a big battery, so yes, you can charge other things like a phone. Here's a mic. Here's my mic box. So let's plug that in. Just plug that in right there. And there you go. Lights come on and it's starting to charge 91%. Okay, and then if you want to just charge a regular iPhone, you can plug into any of these, but if one needs more power than the other, you can use that as well. All right, 50% charge. So yeah, a really good battery pack as well as a car jump starter. So can highly recommend from GOOLOO the GT3000. This is an awesome jump starter. Comes with a manual. Comes with this. Comes with a pack, or comes with a case. So you can carry everything in here that you need. But yeah, definitely, if you're needing to jump start cars or just have something just in case for emergency, this is the one for you. GOOLOO SuperSafe car jump starter. This thing's awesome. Can highly recommend. Definitely pick up one of these.